Are you worried about potential foundation issues in your home? It's important to catch these problems early on to prevent costly repairs down the line. One of the early warning signs of foundation issues is cracks in the walls or floors of your home. Keep an eye out for any unusual cracks that seem to be getting larger over time. Another sign to watch for is doors and windows that are difficult to open or close. If you're struggling to open or close them, it could be a sign of foundation movement. Exterior signs of foundation issues can include cracks in the brickwork or gaps between the bricks. These can indicate that your foundation is shifting. If you notice any of these early warning signs, it's important to contact a professional foundation repair company to assess the situation. Early detection can save you time and money in the long run. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home maintenance tips and tricks at IFR DFW, or call our office at 8175-616500, or on the